So we're having memes with the Antarctica alarm. Like, there's millions of memes for the Antarctica alarm in the comments. Like, here's what it sounds like. So I'm gonna make some memes by the comments. Here's the first one. Right here by Noob Code Channel. Doctor, don't worry, it won't hurt the other kid in the other room having surgery. A baby sister just ran away because of that. I don't know why. Now the other one. Made by Nashwan Islam. My class, peacefully doing their test and is quiet. The weird kid in the hallway. Yep, the weird kid always cries. And next one. Not gonna do this one, but channel sus. Now we're doing one by Pumpkin Plays. Ooh. Matilda hearing me say, hey, hang on, I have to go after the meeting. After eating. Yeah, boy, how many Taco Bell? My mom likes Taco Bell, so he probably might be like, Mom, comes in the room with the belt. The mom's son. And realizes he's only gonna punch her dad for stealing his slippers. Now we're doing this one by Johnson Maine. USA Country Bowl. Well, this vaccine wasn't bad. Antarctica Country Bowl and the vaccine of COVID-19. Antarctica. Greenland. Don't worry, I'll be with you. I'm also cold. I'll be with you. Reasons why I'll never go to Antarctica. I'm doing this one. Reasons why I'll never go to Antarctica. Reason 1, it's cold. Super cold. Even a jacket can't work. Reason 2, because of the alarm that sounds like this. And someone just copied the same comment from the first comment. Doctor, don't worry, the needle won't hurt kid in the next room. Like that. Be playing Roblox. This game is not so bad. Other player 1 killed. You want to get an F in a exam. My lungs. Oh no! Why? My stomach. I feel like we didn't get enough energy. My heart. Bruh, again. My brain. Yeah, the brain's just crying. Someone said. BHHHHHH. Why does one reply in that comment? BHHHHH. Nobody. Siblings when their older brother touches them. Comet Russia's. Me. I eat in the school cafeteria. Must have got the food. It doesn't make sense. It's still just normal food. What the? Someone's gonna break Antarctica apart. Someone calls me stupid. My entire anger juices. And there's another rating for it. This might be really good. Teacher. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go talk with other teachers. Bye, class. The class, not even after 001 nanoseconds. Let's see what the reply is. It always happened to me. Infinity years ago. 1 month ago, it says. Really? You're lying. Your name is just infinity years ago and 1 month ago. Or it can happen like that infinity years ago and 1 month ago. It always happened to me. Really? You just like school? Me. Hurts my bone and begins to have a funny feeling. My nerves and myself shouting. It kind of alarms millions. Yeah, but Lesotho is the only country without COVID. I'm going there. And the rest of the world. Yeah, like Lesotho is the only country without COVID. I'm going there now. Anyone heard about the SCP reference? The base boosted tornado siren. Oops, sorry, I paused it again. This is so loud, it's gonna make Antarctica melt. Me and my siblings eat all the candy. That was my candy! Teacher, come with a chancla. The teacher's student. I remembered the cheese rolls from Taco Bell were so good. But these memes, they're probably real. 15 replies, let's check all of them. I'm a toilet. Then he is. Holy heck, my ears. Why is this Antarctica? Ice melted because of the siren. May forgets that. Oh, Sean. People joke about these alarms. Something really happens and play these alarms, they would be scared. Wait. I wish I had this as my alarm clock. Me too! Me too! It all causes a waking alarm. Don't do it! Don't make that as your alarm clock. Alright, everyone, let's pass other people's classrooms. Everyone. They sound like the test if they still hear it. Stop with the ratings. Holy heck, this is beautiful. Yeah, right. Funny how this sounds like exactly like my dad's story. My dad sounds very loud. Take your dad out of the house then. My brain, are you asleep? Me, yes, so shut up. My brain, plays the Antarctica. The alarm. Me, waking up at 8 a.m. and so the kids near my house crying because their mom said, "Don't eat all the candy, you have to eat breakfast first." Mom tries out plenty little bunnies, Stone Brown, and my dad foot. Me. Like school, fire drill goes off. Teacher's here. Japanese alarm. Wait, let's do this. Schools, fire drill goes up. Teacher's here. Japan EAS alarm. Students here. Antarctica EAS alarm. Well, that's all for today. Goodbye.